Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this magnetic USB-C adapter. So this is two different ones here, but we're going to show you this. So you have USB 3.1 10 gigabytes, 100 watt fast charging, strong magnetic, and it can handle 4K 60 Hz video. So this is great for having at an angle. All right, let's show you guys here. So this is what it looks like. And it's just a Type-C at an angle. And it can handle up to 100 watts. So for example, if you have anything, do-it-yourself project or anything, you can put it at an angle. The nice thing about this is magnetic, so this comes off. So what you would do is you could keep this in your phone at all times or device, and then you have this connected to any power outlet, and then anytime you get your device close to it, it's just gonna pop right in and connect. So just like this, you get close enough, it goes right in and connects. So again, it's magnet, so connects right in. That way you can keep this in your phone and this at any, charging cable. That's simple, guys. It is an angled.